Hello and welcome. I'm pleased to be here with you today to talk about something that's very important to me and something that's helped me, it's helped my business, and I believe it can help you and help your business. Can help protect your business, help grow your business, help give you the information that you need to make good business decisions. I feel fortunate that over the past 15 years I've been able to act as the National Director for Small Business Plans for LegalShield. During that period of time, I've had interaction with business owners throughout the United States and Canada. Learned about their challenges, their hopes, their dreams, the things that they have to deal with on a daily basis to operate their business, to get another customer, to make a profit, to stay in business. But I think even more important than that, and where I can relate to you and you possibly to me, is my experience as a small business owner. Starting a small business from the ground up in products and services, understanding all that you need to do and the things that you need to do on a daily basis to operate your business. The compliance issues, hiring and firing issues, marketing issues, all these things that you deal with, competing against big business who has the benefits of the best partnerships, the best attorneys, the best consultants. Well, I found that when I became a member of the LegalShield business plan, I all of a sudden had the partnerships, had the information. I got the best information from the best people to make the best decisions for the best results in my business. And I'd like to talk to you about that and show you how that can benefit your business. But now let's talk about how's this going to work for you as a business person, as an individual. I think the best way to talk about it is how it's worked for me as a person who owns a business and who has the membership. One of the most important things to me, I think, is the sense of security that I have, the peace of mind that I have, knowing that I know who to call and how much it's going to cost. Who to call and how much it's going to cost. And I know where my first call is going to be. And anything, I don't care how small or how large, from the trivial to the traumatic, I feel like I'm in good hands because I have my small business legal plan. Let's talk about some of the benefits that you'll receive as a member. Tell me how it would make you feel, or think how it would make you feel, to know that you can pick up the telephone anytime during business hours and you can talk to a qualified attorney. You call into the number that's on your membership card that you get in your kit. You tell them you're a LegalShield small business member. They ask you for your membership number, you give it to them. You're connected with an attorney, or they call you back, and then basically what you have is you know who to call, you know what it's going to cost, and you can get any kind of information and consultation you want. I don't care if you just want to use them as a second opinion, if it's like a legal reference library, if you want to know your legal standing, if you want to know where you stand on any type of issue in business, you want to know where to start, you want to know what to do next, you want to get information to make good business decisions. I know for me it makes me feel great, gives me a peace of mind, and it will to you as a member. Let's talk about collections for a minute. It's important. As a small business owner, I understand how important cash flow is, and I know that you do. What do you do when somebody owes you money? What do you do when they've written you a bad check? Well, do you handle it and you follow up yourself, take your time? Does someone in your office handle it and they take their time? It takes time and money, takes them away from sales, service, their other responsibilities in the office. Maybe you're like a lot of small business owners, you turn it over to an attorney, and they maybe charge you $200 to $400 an hour, or if you're fortunate, maybe $50, more or less per letter. Wouldn't it be nice, how would it make you feel as a member to know that your LegalShield membership as a small business plan owner will provide you up to 10 initial debt collection letters every single calendar month? And when we're talking about a membership that could be as little as the price of a cup of coffee a day, we're talking about a membership that can provide you 10 collection letters for as little as $7.50 a letter. And that's a great benefit that many of our small business owners use on a regular basis. What about contract review? Have you ever signed a contract without having an attorney look at it? The answer probably you would say is yes, I have. But in reality, the majority of contracts that you've signed and the majority of contracts that I've signed, the real answer is Nick, I just didn't have my attorney look at it. Somebody else paid an attorney to draw up a contract to protect them. And as a successful, professional, intelligent business owner, you and I should have our attorneys review our contracts. And as a member, you'll have 3 contracts that are new contracts reviewed for you every single calendar month. And you can also have one contract that's even something that's been signed before you became a member reviewed. And what about if it's not just a contract but a document, something from the government, other things that are difficult to understand? You can send those over, hit send on your fax machine, send it over to the law firm, they'll review it for you at no additional cost. Have you had issues where it's necessary to put something in writing? You need to clarify something legally? You have an issue, a problem with someone, a landlord, a tenant, whatever? Could be anything. A letter can be important. And it's even more important and has more power if it comes from your attorney. Well, as a member, you have the opportunity to have written for you a separate letter for every separate legal issue that you have, with unlimited amounts of issues. Now, if that one letter doesn't resolve your issue, you have the opportunity then to engage the law firm at a 25% discount to do follow-up. What about trial defense? And let me phrase this properly. Have you been sued yet? If you've been sued, you know what the costs are, you know what the implications are, and you've got to defend yourself. You've got to come up with the money, you've got to come up with the retainer, you have to do all those things. But if you haven't been sued yet, what are you going to do when it happens to you, not if? Because when it happens to you, are you going to pay $200 to $400 an hour for an attorney? Or are you going to be like I am and all of our members are? We've built up a treasure chest for trial defense. Because you have 75 hours to help you with a trial defense. And at $200 to $400 an hour, if we use that as an example for attorneys, that's like $15,000 to $30,000 of trial defense money that you've built up, and you don't have to check your pocket. You can do what's right. And lastly, I think I want to talk in this particular section of the benefits you get as a member is reduced fee services. You may already have an issue now. You may already be involved in an issue. Even if you are, or it's something we didn't talk about, that can be covered at a 25% discount off the firm's fees as a member. You know, we've talked about what the membership does for you as a member, but let's recap for a minute now. First of all, I think this is very important. 90% of all of our members' requests, all of our members' needs are covered fully by the plan with no additional fee. If you do have an issue, it even could be a pre-existing issue that's not covered there, that's covered under the 25% discount. Well, what's going to happen when you call? You're going to be able to get immediate advice about how to proceed when you're talking to an attorney on any legal issue. They're going to write letters on your behalf to help resolve disputes, all those things that we talked about. You're going to have documents reviewed, contracts reviewed, calls made on your behalf. How important would it be and how much impact would it have to get a letter from an attorney or a call made by an attorney on your behalf? Online legal resources and forms and documents, all those are available to you at no additional charge. And what about trial defense? We talked about it for you, but you're able to build up almost a treasure chest of 75 hours of trial defense, so you don't need to worry about the cost. You can be concerned about doing what is right. And that's what you have as a LegalShield member under the legal benefits side of your plan. As a business owner, you're protecting your business with our LegalShield small business plan. You have access to the attorneys. But what about growing your businesses? You know, every single day you're not using an attorney, but every single day you're confronted with the challenges to grow your business, to do the things that deal with operating your business on a daily basis. So what do? Well, our partner, GoSmallBiz.com, founded by Hall of Fame football player and Hall of Fame business person, in my opinion, Mr. Fran Tarkenton, offers a service to give you access to business consultation. All you need to do is communicate, email, fax with our business consultants, and you can get assistance and help in any area: tax, accounting, marketing, advertising, technology, website development, anything that has to do with growing your business. We have over 50,000 business relevant forms and documents that are accessible to you. A website builder. Do you have a website? If you do, how do you want to maximize the benefit of that website? If you don't, wouldn't you like to get one started right away? We can help you do that with our website builder. Online Business Learning Center. What about teaching your employees and you having college level courses and college level programs available to you on customer service, sales, operating your business, any of those things that are available to you as part of your membership. Online bookkeeping tools, that's available if you need it and you want to utilize it. Member-to-member question and answer exchanges. You'll have the opportunity to interact with other members, maybe members in similar businesses that have experienced similar situations that can be of help. We have a monthly newsletter, business news, articles, information that'll help you. And we've also got substantial discounted partner products and services for you as a GoSmallBiz LegalShield member. As a LegalShield small business plan member, you have accessibility now to the best attorneys, to the best consultants, the best advice to help protect and grow your business. But what does your business look like if you're not a legal plan member, and what does it look like after becoming a small business legal plan member? You can see on the screen as a small business person, sales office, conference room, reception, let's just put it under one umbrella, all the overhead you normally have in running a business. But as a small business plan member, you're able to get the most important thing, I think, for me and my business and most business owners, and that is the information, the resources necessary to help protect and grow my business. As a small business plan member, after your membership, you now have accessibility to resources like tax, accounting, marketing, advertising, technology, website development, legal, collections. All those things are available to you now to help you get the best information to make the best decisions for the best outcome. The business plan that I've just gone through with you may be applicable for you. We also have additional plans, legal plan for the self-employed, home-based business plans that may benefit you. Thank you for your time.